Solflare Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Solflare Wallet app has become a household name among Solana users. Fast, powerful, and beautifully designed, but is it the best wallet for Solana, or are there hidden drawbacks you should know about? Let's find out. Starting with the pros, Solflare is one of the first and most trusted wallets built specifically for the Solana blockchain. It supports everything from storing SOL to staking, swapping tokens, and managing NFTs. Whether you're a trader, investor, or NFT collector, Solflare covers it all in one place. One of its biggest advantages is ease of use. The app and browser extension are sleek, intuitive, and fast. Setting up takes less than a minute, and transactions on Solana are lightning quick, usually costing less than a fraction of a cent. Security is another major strength. Solflare is non-custodial, meaning your keys and assets remain fully under your control. Plus, it integrates with Ledger hardware wallets, adding a layer of cold storage security for long-term holders. Solflare also connects seamlessly to Solana-based DeFi apps and NFT marketplaces like Magic Eden. You can stake your SOL directly through the app and earn consistent rewards, all while monitoring your portfolio in real time. Now for the cons. The main issue lies in Solana's network stability. While the wallet itself is excellent, occasional Solana outages can interrupt transactions or staking temporarily, something users can't control from the wallet side. Another con is that Solflare is exclusive to Solana. If you hold Ethereum, Bitcoin, or other altcoins, you'll need a separate wallet, since Solflare doesn't support multi-chain assets. In summary, the Solflare Wallet app is a polished, fast, and secure choice for anyone deep in the Solana ecosystem. It's beginner-friendly yet powerful enough for advanced users. If you believe in Solana's long-term growth, Solflare is your go-to wallet. But if you're managing a diverse crypto portfolio, you may want something more universal. Still, for Solana enthusiasts, Solflare shines bright just as its name suggests.